Welcome to the English conversation. I think we need to talk, everyone.
Agreed. Our family has been going through some tough times lately.
What's going on?
Yeah, why do you both look so worried?
Your father and I have been arguing a lot lately. We've been neglecting each other and our family.
I'm sorry for my part in this, kids. I've been working late and ignoring the things that matter most.
Do you think they'll get divorced?
I don't know, but maybe we can do something to help them. Like planning a family day or something.
Yeah, that might work.
Mom, Dad, and Lily, I have an idea.
What is it, sweetie?
We were thinking of having a family day this weekend, just the four of us, like old times.
That sounds nice. What activities do you have in mind?
This feels like old times.
Yes, it does.
I'm glad to see you both enjoying each other's company.
We love you guys. We want our family to be happy again.
I want to apologize for not prioritizing our family.
Me too. I got caught up in work and forgot what truly matters.
We all make mistakes, but we're still a family, and we can work through this together.
Yeah, we just need to communicate more and be there for each other.
From now on, we'll have a family day every month. It'll be our special time together.
And we'll make sure to listen to each other's concerns and feelings without judgment.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
We're in this together, as a family.
And so, with love, communication, and the determination to keep their family strong, they embarked on a new journey together. Through the ups and downs, they learned that family is not just about being related by blood, but about being there for each other through thick and thin, supporting and loving one another, no matter what challenges life throws their way.
It's been so long since we've all been together like this.
Well, it's about time. Family is the most important thing.
There's something we need to share with all of you. Mom, Dad, the kids, and we've been keeping a secret for a while now.
Hi, Uncle. How are you?
I am fine. But you are all together. Here, what is going on?
Hey Mike, please have a sit.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Lily and Jack are not our biological children.
It's true. Mom and Dad adopted us when we were just babies.
That's such a beautiful thing you did.
They may not be our biological parents, but they're the only parents we've ever known and loved.
Hey, Jack. How do you feel about being adopted?
I don't know. I mean, I love Mom and Dad, but sometimes I wonder about my birth parents and why they gave us up.
You should talk to them about it. They love you and would understand.
Can we talk? Mom? Dad?
Of course, son. What's on your mind?
I can't help but think about my birth parents sometimes. It makes me feel guilty.
Jack, it's okay to have those feelings. We understand. We want you to know that we love you, and you will always be a part of our family.
Family isn't just about blood. It's about love and the bond you share.
And you know what? Your parents chose you, just like you chose them to be your family.
I don't think I could have asked for a better family.
Me neither. I'm grateful for everything they've done for us.
Thank you for raising them so well.
They are our children, but we understand how important it is for them to know where they came from.
We might not all be connected by blood, but we are connected by love.
Our family is a tapestry of different threads woven together, creating something beautiful.
If you want this type of story, then please like this video and leave a comment.